This is day 40 for Aaron Yudah Leib for bath time.
Happy
And
birthday,
he
Aaron
loves
Yudah Leib.
Bath time.
Happy birthday, 40 days old is a big number. What a big boy. He was going to sit in the flower. Yeah, you're so cute and we love you so much. Do you love it? No. What's the matter? Here, I'm going to hold your hand. Are you making? That's okay if you're making. You're a baby. Are you a baby? Are you a baby that we love so much? Should we put some nice soap for you? You'll smell good for Shabbos. Let's rub your tummy and your hands. What's the matter? What? I'm gonna hold you. I'm holding you, Taddy. I'm holding you. Let's wash your stomach. Yeah. And wash your arms. You like it. Let's wash the other arm. You know that Mommy cleaned the sink special for you. And let's wash your legs and your cute toes. Who can see our Leib's cute toes? Your toes are so cute. Right? Yeah. Now we're going to do your hair. Okay? But we don't need to be scared. Okay? It's just to make you all clean for Shabbos. And Leib's going to be ready for Shabbos. Right? Mommy's going to hold it so it doesn't go in your eyes. Okay? Yeah. Now let's pick you up. Let's pick you up and let's clean your back. Let's clean your back. And the Leib's back is getting clean. Everyone should know. Everyone should know. There's this rash here. See that? Yeah. Let's put a hood on you. And let's pick you up from the water and wrap you very, very, very well. So you're not going to be cold. And our Leib's all clean. Yay! What's the matter? Are we hungry? Are we hungry?